Hello, good day. Today I'm going to discuss and demo and simulate my program, which is the book management. So here I'll be demonstrating first of course my code. I'll be explaining of course first the what is the purpose of this tree, which is this. Wait. Disregard the database connection. Ginamit ko lang yan is for to know if the database and my program is communication with each other. So here, the purpose of this, which is here. This is kinda a short line of code wherein this is most likely to use to siya lang yung nag-handles ng information. That's all. Parang isipin lang natin na kunyari is sa envelope is may laman yun. Parang nasa loob lang siya lang nag-hold sa mga information inside, which is meron tayo tinatawag na title, author, and the price. Every user insert, the book Java is the one who handles the information, while the book DAO, which is DAO, is the one who decides, which is the decision maker, which is here siya yung controller ng whole program. Tinatanong kunyari nag-send tayo ng information, like for example we insert a new book, adding a new book, like for example the Harry Potter. So when we insert or input a new information inside of our web, the book though is the one who handles and know when the info arrives, like for example when the info arrives the servlets ask, is this the new info, which is siya yung nag-update is, and then pag alam na niya yung sinend mo tong information na to, tsaka niya lang isi-send sa tamang po. Like for example, tapos na sinend ko, kunyari nag-add ako ng new book. So ang gagawin lang ng book daw is alamin niya saan ba isi-send yun. So which is adding, mapupunta siya sa main list. So the main list, pag nalagay sa main list, magti-transfer na siya, which is yung book servlet pala yung nag-a-ask kung updated ba tong info na to or saan pupunta tong information na to. For example, when we add the new book, ask niya saan ilalagay yun. So when we add, mapupunta sa main list. Pag napunta sa main list, mag-i-store lang dun sa main list na yun. So yung book daw, DAO, is the one who handles, then delivers and talking to the databases. So kapag nalagay na sa main list, yung information is isi-send niya sa database, asking the database if pwede bang i-store yung information sa database mo. So yun nga yung nagpapasa ng information, kumbaga para siyang messenger. Siya yung nagko-communicate, siya yung nagta-translate. That's it. So after explaining that, here's my whole code. This is kinda long. Here the DB, she's the DB URL. The DB URL is, I put here kung saan ba malolocate at kung ano yung information ng database ko para malaman ng ng program kung nasan banda yung or kung ano yung information ng database ko in order for them to get communicate with each other, of course. So I also put wait so I also put the wait just disregard this is error. Pero yun yung database na detect kasi siya nung first kasi is wala siyang database, nilagay ko, nakalimutan ko palang tanggalin. So the DB user, ito yung username ng database ko and the password. So I also put the password here para no worries na siya na yung automatically will open the database ko, syempre. So nilagay ko na dito yung database name ko, name ng database ko, which is the booklist. Ayan. So basically itong tatlo na to, yung book Java, book DAO, book servlet, sila yung nag-handles ng paano makikipag-communicate with the database, while this 4, which is the add, delete, edit, index, ito yung mismong main dashboard ng mismong system natin. Kumbaga yung users, ito yung mga pinipindot ng users, like for example the save, delete. When we press the delete, siya yung gumagawa. Ito yung mismong index na to. Yes, and then itong index yung mismong main dashboard natin. Dito nag-i-store yung mga information. Ito yung pinaka main desk natin, mismong main page. Like for sa edit naman, ito yung naggawa tayo ng another file for edit. So of course sa index kasi natin meron tayong dyan na nav links, which is the edit and the delete. When we press the edit, it will go to another window, so magkakaroon na naman siya ng another function and another page. So here, mostly yung gumagawa na itong mga JSP at HTML ito is mostly front end, while the book Java, book DAO, book servlet is basically the back end. So sa delete, ito naman another function para makapag-delete tayo if ayaw na natin, kunyari wala na yung book na yun, hiniram, ganito ganyan, pwede natin siya i-delete. Ito naman yung for the add. So let's simulate na yung code here. As you can see, kinapitalize ko kasi masyadong boring if mga malalit na letters, and then change ko yung font niya, ginawa ko siyang Century Gothic para mas maging maganda tignan at malinis. So here, try na natin kung gumagana yung mga function na ginawa natin. Tignan natin kung gumagana yung mga ginawa natin for the back. Here, the add. So I copied also the example pictures na binigay sa G-class. Nilagyan ko lang ng konting design. Masyado kasing plain. So here, try na natin mag-add. For example, lagyan natin is the Potter, and then the example is United Kingdom. example, price for the Harry Potter is natin lang. Pwede tayo maglagay ng decimal kasi ginamitan natin siya ng float or no, double. Try natin. Pwede naman enter. Yes. So, here na. Gumana na siya. Let's add another one. Think of it as Leia. Yes, and then for example, this. Yeah, let's add another one. Try natin yung book na to. Which is title is Think Faster, Talk Smarter. Tapos ang author niya is Matt Abrahams. Then natin yung price niya is 964. So gumana naman siya. Naglagay din ako na every time na may ina-add is nagpa-pop up dito na book added successfully. Then try natin i-edit. Pwede pag in-edit natin siya, same natin so. Edit natin siya. Kunyari baguhin natin ng gawin lang natin is how to speak successfully when you are put on the spot. Try natin. Here, nag-change na siya. So, gumana yung function natin. And then, pwede din tayo mag-delete. So, try din natin dito. And the grade of unknown. Try natin yung author naman palitan is, bigyan natin is Paul Abrahams. Gumana din. So, try natin. Edit dito. Price. UK.LOP. Gumana rin siya. So, then, after that, so, nga pala, di ba, nag-a-add tayo ng book. So, ito, kunyari, like, for example, nag-add tayo ng low key, then, as price. Hindi to magra-run if isi-save na. Hindi to hindi siya mag-a-adhere. Hindi siya mag-a-adhere sa mismong list na to if hindi siya nakakapag-communicate with database. If walang communication with the database is walang mangyayaring list of books. So, kaya nagkakaroon tayo ng list of books at ID of course, kaya na-store yung information natin dito because of the database na ginamit natin which is the MySQL. So, try na natin yung function for the delete. So, for the delete, hindi na natin siyang pwedeng baguhin kasi, for the delete, hindi na natin siya pwedeng baguhin kasi kaya hindi siya pwedeng baguhin is kaya di na siya pwedeng baguhin is exactly napindot na po natin doon sa mismong table. Yung minimin lang naman natin natatanggalin is, for example, itong how to speak successfully when you are put on the spot. So, ipipindutin lang naman natin is delete. So, ang minimin lang niya is ito. So, yun lang yung tatanggalin niya. So, kapag nagtatanggal tayo niyan, tinatanggal din niya yung laman sa my database. Hindi po. That's it. Thank you po for listening and watching for my signalization of and then